Breaking news coming in. Election Commission has sought a report on Omicron ahead of polls. Election Commission is going to be meeting Health Secretary again in the first week of January. Poll panel says Health Secretary meet lasted for 1 hour today, so we're going to wait and watch to see what they come up with at the moment. Shreya is right outside where the meeting is taking place, and the big question is whether the polls should take place in the pandemic or not. Shreya, the meeting is currently going on. What is the decision that has been taken so far? Because with elections come rallies. With rallies come huge crowd. Social distancing goes for a toss. We've seen in the past as well. Many people do not even end up wearing masks to these poll rallies. And the last time around, we had these massive rallies. We saw that second wave and how bad it was. So what is the decision in the light of all of this?
Well, Chaiti, the meeting between the Election Commission as well as the Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has been over. What we are picking up right now from our sources that inside that meeting, the key discussions was about the preparedness that is currently in place in all the 5 states that will be going for the elections, and that is the reason a stock of the situation will be taken. It will be monitored whether the COVID protocols are being followed, and then there will be a second round of analysis before the final decision is taken on whether or not the polls needs to be postponed, because that was the call that came in from the Allahabad High Court last Thursday, post which we see this crucial meeting. So definitely there will be an analysis and a very in-depth understanding on how the 5 different states are also preparing for Omicron, whether or not they are following the COVID norms, the COVID guidelines, especially the central advisory that's been sent to all the states across the country, and followed by that, after taking a stock of the situation, the preparedness and whether the states are also capable of handling the situation in case there is the maximum spike of cases in these states. Probably there will be a decision taken. So there will be a second stock of situation that will be taken, and then the final decision will be coming in from the Election Commission so far as the election is concerned.
When would we know the final answer from the Election Commission?
We do understand that there is a possibility of a second round of meeting with the Health Secretary in the first week of January. So by then, probably when the analysis and the complete report on the situation in the 5 different states are taken, the preparedness for COVID so far it's concerned, if at all there is a spike, whether the states are capable of handling the situation, whether the norms and the advisories sent in are being followed. Followed by that, that second meeting, we will see a final decision that's taken on the elections, especially the 5 different states that is concerned.
All right. Thanks so much, Shreya, for joining us with the very latest details right there.